What do you do when you have snoring and no sleep apnea? So if you have snoring and you want to reduce or eliminate your snoring, we're going to talk about the treatment plan. So typically, you might get an app called the SnoreLab app, and you could do like 3 measurements a week or so before you do your first NightLase procedure to see how much of the night you're snoring. Now, if you've done a watch pat or a sleep study, it'll tell you how much you're snoring. If you want to know other than that, you can do this free app. I anticipate doing about 3 treatments 2 weeks apart of the NightLase. And typically we'll see about 2/3 reduction in the amount of snoring that you have. One treatment myself, and it went down by 70%, almost 90% after one treatment.